Now look student, question number 3, exercise 2.3. Obtain all other zeros of this polynomial given. So 3x to the power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. If it's if two of its zeros are root over 5 by 3 and minus root over 5 by 3, which means two zeros are given, root over 5 by 3 and minus root over 5 by 3. These are the two zeros, and polynomial also given. We have to find out other two zeros. So let's have a look how to solve this one. Look, one more thing student, there is mentioned that all other zeros and two zeros given. The power is 4 only here, which means the maximum power is 4. If there is 4 means 2 0 given, we have to find out 2 more. If power of x is 4 in the polynomial, such kind of question, so if 4 means there is 4 0 total, 2 is given, 2 we have to find out. Now let's have a look how to solve this one. Look student, now the question number 3 I am going to solve now. Here the polynomial is given, so we'll write here that px equal to, the given value is 3x to the power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square, then minus 10x minus 5. This is the given polynomial. Now two zeros are given already, so the two zeros are, one is root over 5 by 3 and other is minus root over 5 by 3. These are the two zeros. Now look student, how to solve this portion here. Look, if I take this value is x, this value is alpha. We know that in the polynomial, alpha and beta are the zeros. If I take this one is alpha and this is beta, so what will happen then? So here we take let alpha equal to root over 5 by 3 and beta equal to minus root over 5 by 3. Now look student, after that if we want to find out the sum and product of alpha, we know that because already we have done such kind of sum in 2.2 exercise. So alpha plus beta means sum of the zeros, is not it? So sum of the zeros, which means alpha plus beta equal to root over 5 by 3 and there is plus minus root over 5 by 3. Now look here, remove the bracket, 5 by 3 minus root over 5 by 3, which means there is 0. Alpha plus beta is 0. Now after that, product, right here, product of zeros, product of zeros, which means alpha into beta. So there is root over 5 by 3 and into minus root over 5 by 3. If I go for the multiplication here, minus will be here and root over 5 by 3 whole square. Now square root cancels, so answer is minus 5 by 3. This is product of the zeros. Now student, after that, now student, the quadratic polynomial, the quadratic polynomial whose roots whose zeros are alpha and beta is given, then we can write here that the standard form of the quadratic polynomial is x square then alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta. So here we can write that x square now minus alpha plus beta is 0, obviously 0 into x, and alpha into beta is minus 5 by 3. Now if it is 0 into x 0, so x square minus 5 by 3. This is after putting the zeros of the polynomial, this is the factor of the given polynomial. So we can write here that therefore Since we have got this value after putting the zeros of the polynomial, so we can write there that x square minus 5 by 3 is the factor of px. Now px is given already. Now we are going to divide this one and we need to find out the other two zeros. So here we'll write that on dividing px by this value, which means x square minus 5 by 3 we get. Now we'll go for the long division here. Now look how to solve this portion. Now student, look for the long division. Here 3x to the power 4 plus 6x cube, then minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. This is the given polynomial which will be divisible by this value. Why? Because this is the factor of px. So we'll write that x square minus 5 by 3. Now we'll go for the long division here. So if I go for the long division here, then there is 3x to the power 4, there is only x squared. So if I write down here only 3x squared, 3x squared into x squared means 3x to the power 4. Now look, 3x squared into 5 by 3. So 5 by 3 means 3 cancel, 3x square and into 5 by 3, which means 3 and 3 cancel. So answer is minus 5x square. So we'll be here minus 5x square. Now after that, now look the student, after that here sign will change obviously. So this plus become minus and this minus become plus. So this will cancel. So remaining part would be 6x cube here. Now plus 5x square minus 2x square, which means plus 3x square. There is minus 10x and minus 5. Now look after that, there is 3x square and there is now 6x cube. So we'll put down here that plus 6x only. Plus 6x into x square is plus 6x cube, and next one is minus 5 by 3 into 6. So 3 to the 6, which means 5 to the 10. So minus 10x will be here. Now after that this plus become minus and this minus become plus. So these two will cancel here. After that only 3x square and minus 5 will be here. So I will just put down here only 3 into x, 3x square. Now 3 and 3 cancel and minus 5 will be here. So again sign will change. So minus and this become plus, cancel this, remainder is 0. So students, we can say that this value equal to this into this. So obviously we'll write this one only here. Now after that we can say that therefore 3x to the power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5, this equal to 3x square plus 6x plus 3, and next one is x square minus 5 by 3. After multiplying these two and remainder is 0, we'll get this one. Now look student, for zeros of px, therefore px equal to 0. Now here the value of px is, I am writing here now, value of px is 3x to the power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 equal to 0. Now this value has come from, look, after dividing this value equal to this. So in place of this value I may write this one also. So now look, I am writing here now that in place of this one is 3x square then 6x plus 3 into that value x square minus 5 by 3 equal to 0. Now either 3x square plus 6x plus 3 equal to 0 or x square minus 5 by 3 equal to 0. Now look here student, after that if I take 3 common from here, will be much easier for solving. Look here, then x square, and there is only 2x, then 1 equal to 0. 3x square 3 to 6, and okay, now look in the next step, x square plus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. And if I go for solving this one by middle term, will be much easier. So x square, then 1 plus 1 x plus 1 equal to 0, and there is x square, then x plus 1 equal to 0. Now here if I take x common, so x plus 1, there is 1 common, so x plus 1 equal to 0. Now x plus 1 and x plus 1 equal to 0 after solving this portion. Now come to here, come to this portion now student. Here x square equal to 5 by 3, and now if I remove the square from here, so there will be plus minus root over 5 by 3, which means x equal to plus root over 5 by 3 and minus root over 5 by 3, which means these two are our 0 given in the question. So when we have started by this one as alpha and this is in beta, we have got this factor, which means when we started this alpha and this beta, we have got this factor, and this factor is the factor of the polynomial px. After dividing this one, we'll get this two value, which means first two value is given, this and this is given already, and we have to find out here more two values. Now look this one here, therefore x plus 1 equal to 0 or x plus 1 equal to 0. So here is x equal to minus 1, and there is also x equal to minus 1. So 1 2 already given and 3 4 now. So the last line we will write that other two zeros is already other two zeros we have to find out. Oh, it is other two zeros is minus 1 and obtain all zeros. So we'll write therefore the all zeros of 3x to the power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 are minus 1 root over 5 by 3 and minus root over 5 by 3. This is the answer of question number 3. Student, don't forget, question number 3 is very much important in exercise 2.3. Practice question number 3 very hard, because normally it frequently comes into the examination, that question number 3.